Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. But when your toilet stops working, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called SAM. SAM can detect the first sign of a leak or flood and notifies you with the issue and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Personalize your life with the easy-to-use U by Moen Shower. With Wi-Fi connectivity and cloud support, you can create up to 12 presets to set the perfect temperature and control your shower. Create a customized showering experience right from your smartphone or your shower controller. Available in either a 2 or 4 outlet system, U by Moen allows you to create your perfect shower. The controller's unique finish coordinates with any bathroom style. U by Moen will even notify you when your shower is ready and automatically pause until you are ready to get in. And Moen's warranty provides peace of mind. The U by Moen Shower. The shower designed just for you.
Tomorrow's comforts are here today. With refined curves and a stunning form, Veil is state-of-the-art performance sculpted for the ultimate comfort. One-touch control of cleansing features. A seat cover that automatically opens and closes with adjustable sensing distance. The ergonomic French curve seat is shaped for comfort. The front wash cleanses gently with air-infused water using 78 fine nozzles. Pulsating wash cleanses and massages. And spiral spray wash effectively cleanses a broad area. Sterilized water disinfects the nozzle after each use. An automatic UV light sanitizes the nozzle every 24 hours. Warm air drying maintains cleanliness and comfort. And the automatic deodorizer keeps your bathroom fresh. All-round powerful flushing combines with a rimless bowl for optimal hygiene. Double jets siphon efficiently and powerfully to clean completely. For a cleaner look and even more space, Veil also comes in a wall-mounted model. All the form and function of the Veil, with the water tank hidden away in the wall. With 3 different models to suit your design needs. Kohler Veil, when technology meets art.
Introducing Arebo, the one-touch body dryer. Just imagine your body being enveloped by warm air as soon as you step out of the shower. As Arebo is conveniently drying every part of your body, you can devote your time to starting the next steps of your morning routine. You won't ever need to struggle to put on pants while your legs are still wet. To stay warm and toasty in the winter and cool in the summer. Let's be honest, guys. We know some of you use a single towel to wipe down your butt and your face. Or you might use the same towel for days until it smells funky. But did you know that once you've used a towel, it'll be full of bacteria by the next day? Your body deserves better. With Arebo, you don't have to worry about having to wash dozens of towels each month. Arebo has been designed for your convenience. All it takes is one touch to activate it. Arebo blows air at a speed of around 33 miles per hour. We found that this is the perfect speed to efficiently dry the body without causing any discomfort. This efficient dryer will make sure your entire body is completely dry in less than a minute. No need to spend extra seconds trying to get at those hard-to-reach places.
Introducing a new kind of smart mirror, the Verdera voice-lighted mirror with Kohler Connect. Using innovative voice control capabilities, the Verdera voice allows you to experience the benefits of a hands-free bathroom routine. For example, ask Verdera voice to turn on its mirror lights. Or ask to adjust to the optimal brightness level for tasks like shaving, applying makeup, and much more. Mirror lights are bright, shadowless, and dimmable, so whether you're just waking up or getting ready for bed, your lighting will always be ideal. If voice control isn't the best option at a certain time of day, lighting and sound can also be controlled manually. The Verdera voice embedded speakers offer full stereo sound and adjustable volume controls, so you can ask to hear your favorite playlist from the comfort of a relaxing bath or rejuvenating shower. Verdera Voice also allows you to plan your day without interrupting your routine. Simply ask to receive weather updates and current traffic information so you can adapt accordingly. Verdera Voice even makes errands easier by allowing you to add items to your shopping list without ever lifting a finger. At night, navigate the bathroom with ease thanks to an automatic nightlight. An additional motion-sensing light ensures nighttime tasks are less disruptive. The Kohler Connect app allows you to set up, control, and personalize all of the features of Verdera Voice in one simple location on your phone. It's time to say hello to the world's smartest bathroom, the Verdera Voice lighted mirror with Kohler Connect.